The punctuation in the following paragraph from Tom Brady's book has been omitted. All the dashes, periods, and commas are gone. Your mission is to listen to the following reading and insert punctuation where necessary. You should listen to the reading multiple times so you can accurately restore the punctuation. Let's begin. Nearly 18 seasons of playing professional football have shown me that sustained peak performance isn't about luck. It's about hard work, dedication, discipline, and the support of my great team. You can't do it alone. I am beyond blessed. I turned 40 years old this past August, and not only do I feel as healthy as I ever have, but, more to the point, I'm proud to still be playing at the highest level and standard for my game. My ability to sustain my peak performance over the last 10 years came from rethinking how to train and, specifically, how to train with pliability. I now realize that this is something that can help not only elite athletes, but anyone and everyone who's willing to commit to living a life of wellness and vitality. Casual athletes, weekend warriors, yoga practitioners, marathon runners, anyone.